Imagine if there was an easy way for you to help conserve water. Hi, we're EveryDrop. Our mission is to empower both the public and government agencies to reduce water waste and promote water conservation. We're located in Los Angeles, one of the most beautiful and vibrant cities in the world. However, we have very serious drought issues. 2013 was the driest calendar year in recorded history, and the problem continues today. It's our duty to do everything we can to protect our precious water supply and ensure that it's not wasted by leaky faucets, overwatering, and other unnecessary usage. Even wasting as little as 1 drop per minute equals over 2,000 gallons of water wasted per year. In response to this growing problem and to the President's Climate Data Initiative, which encourages tech innovators to use data in compelling ways to help make smart choices in the face of climate change, we created the EveryDrop platform. For the public, the EveryDrop platform is available as a downloadable app for Android and iPhone, integrated with mapping technology by Esri. Inside the app, users are able to identify and report water waste directly, view incidents of water waste around them, and receive alerts to conserve when it's absolutely essential. For cities, counties, and water districts that deploy the EveryDrop solution, your organization gains full control over the water waste reports and is able to create workflows to immediately notify staff and other agencies of any issues reported. In addition, the entire system is integrated with Esri's GIS technology so that you can leverage the power of GIS with ArcGIS Server and ArcGIS Online. EveryDrop is paired with the best location technology on the planet to produce incredible insights that result in real, actionable change. Learn more about the EveryDrop platform by visiting us online at everydrop.la.